Friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, we have a lot going on over at Walgreens this week. We have a $50+ basket of freebies if you can line up the deal exactly as I'm going to say. We have a lot of clearance in the lotion aisle as well, and some of the digital coupons are attaching, including getting a $14 Aveeno lotion for 79 cents. So, I'm going to show you a lot of the magic and how this stuff is done. And then we're going to do that larger basket towards the end of the video. You guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video to ensure it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about are these two boosters. At the top we have a paper and the bottom one is a digital booster. These two are in fact stacking. I did a $45 basket and I got $17 back. So there is a little bit to this week that, that's almost half of the basket right there in Walgreens cash. So absolutely fantastic. Some of these other boosters are for online only, so we will investigate those as the week marches on. But the top one, it says multi-use, so I'm going to throw some more stuff into a basket and see if I can use it more than once. But it is going to be a really good week over at Walgreens. So for this one, we're doing it in store. You're going to be walking down the lotion aisle. There is this Aveeno for $3.79. The original price is $14.99, so just under 15 bucks. There's the $3 digital that is attaching, making it 79 cents. You can scan the barcode in the app and it'll show that it's attaching. And this is the coupon, and it's exactly 79 cents. Definitely a stock-up price. Hopping right into this week's deals, the first one is the $7 body wash and the $8 bar soap. I did have one snag where IBOTTA didn't pick up my bar soap, so I'm going to have to email their Zendesk for my missing $2, and yes, I will be doing that. And it's an $8 register reward when you purchase $20. So we have a 5 off of 3. And I'm going to apologize, guys, for whatever reason. That Aveeno picture I took yesterday, I could not get the pictures to load in my phone in the coupons folder this morning. But this is the right coupon. It's a 5 off of 3. And then IBOTTA has rebates of $4 back when you buy 2 of the body washes, and then $2 back for the bar soap. I mean, if you want to do the deal a little easier, probably just grab 3 of the body washes, because none of these bar soaps was attaching for me with IBOTTA at Walgreens. It's kind of strange. But grabbing 3 of these for $22, 2 of the washes for $14, and then the bar soap for $8, that's $22. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $17, $8 register reward, and $6 back from IBOTTA. And as stated, I'm having an issue with that. It basically makes it 3 for $3 or $1 each. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And here's the register reward, guys. And just to let you know, you can actually use this on anything in a future purchase. It should work. If the cashier is going to read it line for line, you might run into a problem. But if they will scan whatever, it's going to scan for you. Next super duper deal is with the Palmolive or Suavitel. Buy 2, get a $2 register reward, and we have dollar coupons for both the Suavitel and Palmolive. Now, unfortunately, my store does not carry the fabric softener. They only carry the Palmolive, so I couldn't get the maximum savings. You would obviously get a better deal if you can grab 1 Palmolive and 1 Suavitel to get $2 off. So grabbing 1 Suavitel and 1 Palmolive, that'll be $4.98. Suavitel is like a fabric softener. Subtracting $1 off the Palmolive and $1 off the Suavitel, you'll pay $2.98, get back a $2 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per product. No booster, it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay the $2 to earn your $2 register reward. And don't be shy, guys, to ask, is the machine working and printing those coupons or the register rewards so the cashier can tell you yes or no? This morning, I actually had that discussion with the cashier at my store, and she's like, this one's printing, the other 2 aren't. She was on it right away when she saw me walk in this morning at 9 a.m. Like, love that cashier. But this is what it looks like, and you want these to print, so don't be shy to ask, like, hey, is it working, yes or no? It's a fair question. The next deal that's fantastic is on the Colgate at $5 a pop. Unfortunately, my store was not tagged, so I didn't snap a picture. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, $5 register reward when you purchase 2. Very straightforward meat and potatoes deal. 2 of them for 10, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward. Ask if the machine is working. Makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents each. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster as well. Okay, guys, so we have this booster. I got some photos last week and it kept printing for me. If you might have one and want to do a smaller basket, this is the one for you. There are products at $5.99. There are products at $4.99. And they're part of a promotion that when you buy 4, you get back a $2 register reward. The Bounce, the Tide, and the Downy all have $1.50 digital coupons attaching. And then the Dawn, not this one, but the one that's just the regular label. We have a $2 digital that showed up this morning. So you're going to look for these specific tags. And sorry, guys, I have the wrong visual with that Dawn Power Wash. So remember, you're going to load $4.50 in digitals for all that different detergent products. And then you have a $2 for the Dawn Power Wash. And again, I apologize about these visuals. I just could not get the visuals to populate my digital coupons folder this morning. It's having issues with that. I don't know why. And again, it's part of this promotion. When you're in the store, you'll keep your eyes peeled for those stickers so you're grabbing the right products. Very basic deal here. For those laundry or 3 laundry products and 1 Dawn Power Wash, that's $21.46. Subtracting $6.50 in digital coupons. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. You will pay $14.96 with your debit card. Get back a $2 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash as you're doing a spend 15 to earn back 5 with that paper booster. Makes it $7.96 for the 4 or $1.99 per product. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster, but what a deal. Now, this is a deal everybody who loves L'Oreal Elvive you should do this week. They're 2 for $10. We have a 3 off 2 store coupon and a 4 off 2 manufacturer. These are the 2 that you're going to load. That's $7 off, guys. So, I'm clapping my hands because I'm so excited by this. So 2 for $10, subtracting your digital, which is a manufacturer, the store coupon, you're paying $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Elvive. And again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Next deal that we're going to look at is to grab a Venus razor for $11.99 and then at 50% off one of the shaving gels or creams, the one in a tube. So we're going to grab 2 of these shaving care products and it's on a promotion of buy 2, get back a $5 or buy 15, get back a $5 register reward. And with an $11 and another item at $4, it makes it $15 for the 2. For the razor, we have a $4 off. And then for that shave cream, we have a $3 off. So please make sure you have both of these loaded. I think a lot of us have had them floating around our accounts for some time. So here it is, guys. A razor and the cream for $16.23, subtracting $7 in digitals. You'll pay $9.23. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4.23 for the 2 or $2.11 per item. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this deal with no booster. Just to show you guys, here it is. And if I want to use this on toilet paper, it'll scan. If the cashier's going to read it line for line, I'm out of luck. But if they'll scan whatever, I have no issues. This will scan on anything. This is a really fantastic deal for some very cheap cereal. It is the Cheerios for $1.88. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have this friend loaded. Over on IBOTTA, I have 50 cents back for each Cheerios. There are other General Mills cereal, so if you want to grab something different, just look through the app. Probably the smartest thing to do. 2 of these is $3.76. Subtracting your digital, you'll pay $2.76. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back. Makes it $1.76 for the 2 or 88 cents per box. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Other deals that are absolutely fantastic this week is a buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens small or medium trash bags. So that will be about $1.66 per box of trash bags. Buy 1, get 2 for free on the Complete Home food storage bags. It makes it 93 cents per box on a buy 1, get 2 for free promotion. Okay, let's talk about this now. Stacking these two boosters, I had a lot of success, and I'm just going to show you items that I grabbed in the previous slides, so we're not going to go through everything one for one again. So hopefully you remember the coupons I was talking about and the promotions, but we'll go through it one more time, but just kind of in a quicker fashion here. Okay, so two of those Venus products, a razor and a shave gel, that's $16.23. I grabbed two Palmolives for $4.98. Two of the Elvives for $7. It is $10, but after the store coupon, it's $7. So I've already factored in that math. And then two Olay body washes and one bar soap for $22. So the total here is $50.21. And I have $17 in digitals melting off. A 3 and 4 for Venus, $1 for Palmolive, a $4 for Elvive, and then a 5 off 3 for Olay. And then I got the cashier to scan my paper booster. I had my e-booster loaded as well. With my debit card, I paid $33.21 plus tax. And then I got back $15 in register rewards, $17 in Walgreens cash for the two stacking boosters, and $6 back from IBOTTA. 2 is currently missing. Hopefully I'll get it soon. It makes it free plus a $4-ish moneymaker. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using two different boosters for this deal. It's going to mess up the math. If you want to use register rewards from last week, say from the Tresemme or the Dove, yes, you can use a manufacturer register reward to get a lower out of pocket. I used about 13 in this transaction, so I paid actually 20, and then I got back my $17.50 plus all the register rewards and Ibotta. And then just to show you guys, the $2 for the Palmolive, the $5 for the shave stuff, and then the $8 for the Olay, and then I also got $4 back from Olay. $2 is pending for that bar soap. I could not get it to work. And then for those that are like, I don't believe what you're saying, the 2 did stack, and there's my $17 back. And I'm just showing it through the app, but it was there. I'm not going to show my receipt, obviously, because all my info's there, but just showing you $17, the 2 stacked. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.